You know where the
Good morning, everyone. My name is Bevan Baker. I'm the Commissioner of Health for the City of Milwaukee, and for the last 8 years, the City of Milwaukee Health Department has worked with many of our community partners to offer free childhood immunizations, health screenings, lead poisoning screening, and health care information to students in the area. This free event is the largest of its type in the City of Milwaukee. And this year we're celebrating our first annual Child Health Week. And what we hope to do in Child Health Week is not to have one, but 2 health fairs. One here today on the south side of Milwaukee, and another on the north side. On August 15th, we'll be at the Fitzsimmons Boys and Girls Club at 3400 West North Avenue. And that event is held in partnership with the Milwaukee Urban League. And we're really happy to partner with the Urban League on our north side event. During Child Health Week, I'm pleased to announce that we have corporate sponsors who have joined our event to expand our services. We hope to reach 10,000 children. Both events here on the south side and north side are sponsored by United Healthcare and Managed Health Services and the generous support of the Stark Hospital Foundations. And representatives from all of those entities are here today. So I want you to join me in a round of applause for our corporate sponsors. And before we discuss the details of the event, I certainly want to thank the City of Milwaukee Health Department staff, in particular Sarah Schubert-Mashesky, for the dozens and dozens of hours that she and others have put forth, and all of those staff were wearing the royal blue t-shirts with the Milwaukee Health Department logo on it. They've been working behind the scenes to make certain things go out today without a hitch, so I want to thank them. And now I'd like to introduce the mayor of our city, Mayor Tom Barrett, to share a few words regarding Child Health Week and this back-to-school fair. Mayor Barrett.
Thank you very much, Commissioner Baker. Good morning. As you can see behind us, there are literally hundreds, if not thousands, of children and their parents and caregivers who are here so that they can be prepared when they go back to school. What we want is we want healthy children attending school. And in order for kids to attend school, of course, we have to make sure that they have their immunizations, that they have what they need. So there's a range of services that we're offering here today to make sure that our kids are ready so that they can be in classrooms when school starts on September 1st. This is an exciting day for most of these kids. They're not thinking about school. Their parents are starting to think more about school, thinking about, I can't wait till our kids go back to school. The kids, of course, have a different reaction. They want summer to last forever. But we just want to make sure that all kids are prepared. As Commissioner Baker noted, this is the 8th year that we have held this fair, and it's a very successful fair. And we'll hold a successful fair tomorrow on the north side as well, where we bring hundreds, if not thousands, of students to come to be prepared. Part of this is because the priority that I set, as Mayor and Commissioner Baker said, as Commissioner of the Health Department, to do everything we can to improve the immunization rate here in the City of Milwaukee. With the help of the Milwaukee Public Schools and community partners like we have here today, we are making a difference. 79% of MPS students were in compliance at the beginning of the last school year, compared to only 64% in the 2005-2006 school year. That's a dramatic increase in the number of students that are receiving immunizations, and it means that our kids, the kids in this community, can and will be in the classroom where we all know they should be. Today we believe that more than 5,000 students will be assured that they are ready for the school year, thanks to the hard work and dedication of Health Department employees and our community partners. But also, because of the generous donations of organizations like United Healthcare, Managed Healthcare, and the Stark Hospital Foundation, we're able to put on this successful fair. And I'd like to present some proclamations right now, if I have them. You can bring the proclamations up so I can present those. They're both similar in that we talk about the partnership between the City of Milwaukee, United Healthcare, and Managed Health Services as we celebrate the kickoff of Child Health Week, which will promote awareness and provide access to preventative health care for children across the City of Milwaukee as they prepare for back to school. We all know that school success is a function of children's cognitive, physical, and socio-emotional well-being that is negatively affected by illness, hunger, and emotional distress, all of which may interfere with or inhibit learning in children. That's why the City of Milwaukee has joined with Milwaukee's health maintenance organizations, United Healthcare and Managed Health Services, to encourage Milwaukee residents to utilize HMO providers and services to encourage parents to provide their children with access to medical care, and we wish students and parents the best of health and success as they start the new year. So with that, I declare this week and proclaim this week, August 10th to 16th, Child Health Week throughout the entire city of Milwaukee. And I'd like to present two of these, if I may. Very similar. Advantage Health.
Thank you.
Thank you. Again, this would not be possible if it were not these strong partnerships, and most importantly, the work that's done by the tremendous employees of the Milwaukee Health Department. So thank you, and thank you to the parents, the kids for being here. Let's continue a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor Barrett. And again, joining us this morning are Ralph Beck, Vice President of Marketing and Strategic Planning at United Healthcare, and Sherry Husa, President and CEO of Mandis Health Services. I'd like both of them to come forward and say a few words. Sherry and Ralph.
Well, thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. We at MHS are absolutely thrilled to have the opportunity to sponsor this year's health fair with the mayor and with Commissioner Baker. We at MHS are committed to improving the health and well-being of the children in our communities, and what better way to do that than ensuring that they get a healthy start to the school year. So we hope parents stop by and visit our booth, say hello, ask us questions, because we want them to have the information they need to get their children healthy and to help keep them healthy. So thanks again, and we're just excited to be here. It's 25 years and counting that MHS is here in the community, and we plan to be here for a long time. Thank you.
Well, good morning, everyone. Similar to MHS, United Healthcare is extremely pleased and feel privileged to be a part of this process. We care for about 90,000 people in the Milwaukee area, of which approximately 60% of that population are children. And for us, we passionately believe that in order for our kids to be successful, they need to have good health care. And it starts with being well immunized, making sure that kids are tested for their blood lead testing poisoning, and that they're getting the health checks completed on time. Our organization provides those services, and we're just pleased to be able to partner with Commissioner Baker and Mayor Barrett to promote this activity on an annual basis, and we look forward to being here in future years to come too.
Thank you very much, Sherry and Ralph. So this back-to-school health fair is a great opportunity for parents and many of the children in our community to get their questions answered, to get medical, dental, and safety and law enforcement experts to answer all of their questions and to get screened in a one-stop shop setting. This is a long-standing event, and we just don't focus on healthcare, but we focus on all of the needs of children. So we look at what's happening in our tough economic times, and we know that parents may need a little help. So we have backpacks, and we're going to give out, again, 5,000 doses a day, and we hope that parents take advantage of this to get their kids immunized. Vaccines are safe, vaccines work, and today they're free throughout the city of Milwaukee. So we hope people would come and take advantage of those services. Again, I'd like to thank our partners and our sponsors who work to make Child Health Week a success, and for all the Milwaukee families. This time I'd like to open it up for questions.
Tell me, it seems like there's a lot of people here. Do you know if the need is greater this year, and if so, why?
Well, we know that we're in a tough. The question is the need greater than it has been in previous years? Historically, we see about 5,000 kids on this day for this event. But we know that there are tough economic times, and today we expect to see an upsurge in the need for our communities, and that's why we partner with the Urban League to expand our services on the north side. We believe that we're going to see 10,000 kids this weekend, so we know that there is a great need, and this is emblematic. And I think partnering with the Milwaukee Public School System and bringing families together is what we can do to address that need. Other questions?